So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to enable battery percentage on your device. So let's get started. Let's log in it. Now see, this is the home page of your setting, and scroll down below and you will see the option of battery. So tap on it. Then again scroll down and see, you can see this option of battery percentage. So on the right side of the screen you can simply see the enable and disable icon. So tap on enable icon. Now see, you have successfully battery percentage in your status bar, as you can simply see the upper right side of the screen. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.